Let's see what's under the hood. Oh. Ah.
Welcome to Jackass.
We've completely transformed the abandoned S15. Here it is. What is up, guys? We are back in America, and as you guys can tell, we loaded up the trailer. And what does loading up an empty trailer mean? Today we are picking up a car, and some of you guys might recognize this car. This car is a very special car, and a lot of us grew up playing and choosing this car in games like Need for Speed. I'd like to say that this is a dream car for many. I'm excited to reveal the car to you guys. Some of you guys may have even seen this car before, but I'm really excited to reveal it to you guys. It feels good to be back at home in America. I love Japan, but we've got a lot of stuff that we need to do. So let's get started. All right, guys, we are here. Are you guys ready? Here's our new car. Poor abandoned S15 needs a little bit of saving. She is beat up. As you guys can tell, the clear coat is fading from just sitting in the sun too long. She's not the cleanest, but there's one thing special about this S15, and as you guys can tell, it's a Spec R. This thing has an SR20 DET. It is missing a headlight, and the bumper's kind of coming off a bit there. This looks very similar to the S15 that we just imported, but the previous owner of this car literally just neglected it and abandoned it. But lucky for us, this S15 Silvia gets a second chance at life. It's pretty much intact. Looks like there's absolutely no clear coat left on the car. No dings or dents. More clear coat fade. Already has an exhaust. All right, let's pop the hood and see what we find. Go fast, eat ass. Oh! Steering wheel is literally ripped to shreds. This is a manual transmission, and it's a 6-speed. Let's see what's under the hood. Oh my god, it's so hot! Oh, fuck off! Oh, god damn it! Damn, stick is hot. Hood is hot. Under the hood, we've got an SR20 DET. And from the looks of it, car has a front mount, low intake, engine brace. And look at this, guys. I think we just came up on some gold. Old logo Nismo strut bar. Looks like the car has HKS coilovers. Looks like we still have the stock turbo. I don't know what it is, but this car looks so familiar. I feel like I've seen it somewhere, but you know what? Maybe I've just been around these cars for so long. Or maybe somebody I know has one that's like this. Let's see if this thing starts. No surprise that the battery's dead. Tip of the day, whenever you buy a car, always bring an extra jump pack. Looks like we're getting some power. It's cranking, but it isn't starting. MAF is good. Coil packs are good. Ooh, guys, I think we might have found it. Sounds like a perfectly healthy SR20. All right, guys, let's get out of the hot sun. Let's take this thing home. I'm about to put you on. These straps are amazing. Watch, I'm gonna do it one-handed. One hand holding the camera, and the other one putting these straps on. There you go. Just like that, we're done. Fronts are also strapped in. We're ready to go. We are back at the shop, guys. The S15 made it home. Let's just get right into bringing this car back to life. And we're gonna start with the very first thing that bugs me. And that is this freaking nasty steering wheel. We're gonna completely transform this car right now. The steering wheel on any and every car is literally the nastiest thing you touch. And then you go home, you touch your face, you beat your meat, you don't wash your hands. This will give you an infection. All right, let's remove this. If you guys don't have any tools on you, just like that. You're using brute strength. Just rip that shit out.
Give it the Jimmy Oak shuffle.
What is the Jimmy Oak shuffle?
Smack both sides of the wheel as hard as you can a couple times and it'll come off.
All right. Up next, you need to do the Jimmy Oaks shuffle.
Don't do my boy like that.
And then you pull it. The Jimmy Oaks shuffle works. That's crazy. There you go. Shout out Jimmy Oaks.
Go like this with this.
All right, Luke, what are we doing today?
Welcome to Jackass. We're exploding an airbag. We do it right there when you're standing next to me.
All right, guys, we're gonna see how high we can launch this Chipotle cup of water. You didn't tell me you were gonna go!
I thought you were ready.
Oh, it was so fast, I didn't even see it. Oh,
Watch out.
so that's what it looks like. Fresh, new Silvia steering wheel is in. Even the airbag badge is way cleaner than the other one. I'm just gonna use a wet rag to show you how dirty these steering wheels actually get. Some of y'all be wiping your booty holes, not using soap. Watch, I'm gonna prove my point right now. This steering wheel has never been cleaned, but it looks clean. It's clean. Never mind. What the heck? Which one of you ripped a fart? I'm gonna prove my point. We're gonna pick the NSX, one of the cleanest cars in the warehouse. Let's see how nasty this steering wheel is. Are you guys ready? Look at that. Prove my point. We promise that we're gonna completely transform this car, and we're gonna do that starting in today's video. We're not gonna drag this out for 10 whole episodes. The Silvia S15 is getting a whole brand new kit right now. and then I have to call it quits today. It's 100 degrees right now, so we'll reveal the body kit in the next clip tomorrow. Are you guys ready for the reveal? This is a very, very stylish kit for the S15. I don't think I've ever seen an S15 with this kit ever in person. Let me take off all of the bubble wrap and I'll show you guys why. Are you guys ready for the ASMR body kit unboxing / reveal? Cutting the bubble wrap in 3, 2, 1. Damn it! Hello? You interrupted the vlog. This is the Car Modify Wonder Glare Kit. And the reason you don't see too much of this around is obviously because S15s are not legal in the US. And the body lines on this kit is literally insane. This is the only kit that I found that looks amazing on a stock body S15. All other kits for the S15 other than the stock requires over fenders. This kit looks amazing with the stock fenders, and the bumpers have threaded inserts. I have a feeling that this kit is gonna be probably one of the easiest kits we ever install on any S chassis. Well guys, it's time to completely transform the abandoned S15. Let's give her a complete new makeover. All right guys, I wanna start off by challenging myself to see how long it would take to put on this kit. A lot of you guys at home watching right now are probably very familiar with fiberglass body kits. You think it's gonna take 2 hours, but it ends up taking 10 because the kit doesn't fit. You need to shave the side skirts to fit the door. Whatever it is, it always takes a lot longer. It is currently 11:25 a.m. Let's see how long it takes for me to put on this entire kit. We're gonna start off with the rear bumper because I have a feeling that this is gonna be the easiest.
He's also gonna be fighting himself on this one.
You guys don't know I have ADHD and it's hard for me to focus. So yeah, let's go. Oh my God. Fitment is literally perfect. For the bumper to go on, we're gonna need the other headlight. Lucky for me, I happen to have a spare passenger headlight. This came off of an S15 that I had in here recently. Ooh, with the headlight back on, we already ran into the first problem. If you got a front mount intercooler, 99% of the time, you're gonna have to do some shaving. All right. Many of you watching are probably just like me, and you cannot draw a straight line to save your life. Today I'm gonna teach you guys a little trick on how to get a perfect line, which leads to almost perfect cuts every time. All right, step one, you see this Sharpie, throw it away. All you're really gonna need for this is all you're really gonna need is all you're really gonna need is are you freaking kidding me? Hold up, we're having technical difficulties. All you're gonna need is masking tape. Let me show you what we're gonna do. If you guys can't follow this step, just give up on building your cars, because I guarantee you your car will never run if you can't do this. All you have to do is lay the tape where you want the straight line. And I'm gonna cut everything here and everything here.
But look how straight that cut is. Now I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna cut down here and we're good to go.
There you go, baby. Bumper is cut and now clears the intercooler. However, just like any other car, it hits somewhere else. It also hits right here on this side of the intercooler piping, right there. So, to make sure that I have the cleanest cut, I literally just traced the edge of this side, which gave me this, and I traced this edge, which is this, and we're literally going to use this to give us the cleanest cut for the perfect fitment on the S15. Hey, I got a question for some of you guys back at home. You guys do stocks? Penny trading? Penny trading my abs?
Give me the guy.
Like how we're penny trading this S15? And just like that, side skirts are on, baby. These aren't the wheels that I'm gonna keep on the car, but we've got some OG TE37s. They're collecting dust. Fitment's not gonna be perfect, and we haven't even lowered the car yet, but I'm just way too excited. All right, guys, we finally finished cutting the kit. Check it out, though. I'm light-skinned now. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. Ooh.
You got these triangles on your face. Go look at the mirror.
Bro, I look like I'm like from Pocahontas or something. The kit is finally on, and it only took us 4.5 hours. Today, we've completely transformed the abandoned S15. Here it is. Please don't make fun of the fitment. We haven't lowered the car or rolled the fenders yet. This will have to do for now. Here's the new S15. What do you guys think of the Car Modify Wonder glare kit on the S15? Dude, this thing looks so good outside. I know, the car needs to be lowered. But damn, it looks so good. The kit is aggressive enough where you can throw on over fenders and it would look great. It's also subtle enough for the stock body to look good as well. What are you guys' thoughts on the kit? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Step 1 of the abandoned S15 restoration is complete. If you guys want to follow us along on the journey on bringing this car back to life, go and subscribe. Stay tuned. I'll see you guys next time.